we're asking everyone's help and support and understanding and being patient with us as we are prioritizing the work, going through safety concerns first. For example, if we have a tree in the air posing a risk to public, targeting an area that we have recreational activities or anything obstructing roadways, trails, sidewalks, parking lots, obviously those are our first priorities. The large items on the ground will be second priority. We will definitely take care of them. For those purposes, we have experts. We really want to just provide safe, enjoyable parks for all of our users, but we just need to be patient. It's going to be there. It may take some time for us to be everywhere.